I was just an image, but now I'm an influencer.
I promote products.
I create daily vlogs and share them on Instagram Reels.
I create podcasts. And I even get offers for interviews.
You might have seen these influencers on social media before. With the help of AI, you can create them easily. Today, I'll teach you how to create your own AI influencer. The first step is to generate an image for your AI influencer. Now, if you already have an influencer's image, go ahead and use that. But if you want to generate a new image, get a prompt from ChatGPT and use any AI image generator tool. I'll share some prompting tips. For example, I describe my need for a full-body, ultra-realistic portrait. I also describe the influencer's age, their dressing style, makeup style, and expressions. Finally, I describe high-resolution and cinematic lighting. This will generate the perfect image. Since I already have my influencer's image ready, I'll now generate different scenes using Google Nano Banana. First, open Google Studio. The Nano Banana model will be displayed first. Select it. Click the plus icon and upload the influencer's image. Next, provide a prompt describing the scene you want to generate for the video. I've provided this prompt, which contains all the specifications I described earlier. You'll find all these prompts in the file description. Now we have the final image, which we'll use in a professional long influencer video. This image is in square format, but we can't use it for a long format video. So we'll convert it to 16:9 aspect ratio. To do this, use the Bixby AI image extender tool. This tool will extend the image without any sign-up or other limitations. Go to Custom Ratio, select 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. After processing, you'll have the final image. Click on Save and download the image. The second step is to have ChatGPT generate scenes. Upload your influencer's final image to ChatGPT. Now, give it this prompt. In the total number of scenes section, specify how many scenes you want. In the 3-line field, write the scene number and describe the action you want the influencer to perform in that scene. Also, include the script or dialogue you want the influencer to say in each scene. Fill out your requirements using this prompt template and submit it to ChatGPT. It will provide you with a complete prompt for each scene. The final step is video generation. For this, we'll use Google's free video generator, Google Flow. After opening Google Flow, click Create with Flow. Now select the new project. Here, convert the text and video to frame video. Now, click the plus icon and upload your image. Then, copy the first scene prompt generated in ChatGPT and paste it here. Press Enter after pasting. The video will begin processing. After the video is generated, play it and test it. Now, click At Second Scene. A timeline will appear. Then, drag its white line to the end of the video. Click the plus icon above this line, then select Save Frame As. Here, you'll find the last scene's image, select it. Again, paste the next scene prompt from ChatGPT here and generate it as well. Follow the same steps to generate all your scenes. Play the final video to check and then click the download icon to download it. That's it. I hope you all have learned how we can generate these influencers by following super easy steps and generating their long videos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tweak Library for more such videos.